Hello everyone. So yes, today we are going to look at IP warming. We are going to understand what is IP warming and why it matters, and maybe what we can do in Marketing Cloud to perform the IP warming to improve our email deliverability. Okay, so let's understand that IP warming is first of all a process. Okay. So it's a process of gradually increasing the email sending volume from new or a dedicated IP address over time. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier in my video, that IP warming is not something that you can do or perform that activity in a week or in a 2 week. It's a process. Okay, maybe a 3 months to achieve the best email deliverability. Like that would be the best, but within a month, I think you will be seeing some result if the email deliverability is not messed up totally. Okay. So within a month, you will start, looking, or you will start morning you will start looking at the difference and the improvement. You will start looking at the improvements of the email deliverability. So IP warming is the process of gradually increasing the email sending volume from new or dedicated IP addresses over time. Okay, why is it? Now, IP warming helps establish a positive sender reputation, because this will help us to improve our sender reputation, and then it will prevent the emails from being flagged as a spam, because sometimes, mostly, the email clients flag the emails as a spam due to maybe the lower sender reputation, or if the IP address is not correct, or there are so many such reasons. So um, performing these process will help us to improve our email deliverability into the spam folder, so it will land into inbox instead of going into spam, or it will not flagged as a spam. The email will not flagged as a spam. Okay. Okay, these are so like tongue twister words. Okay, IP warming. So, what are the steps of the IP warming? How should I perform this process? IP warming steps, like maybe you start by sending a low volume. For example, let's say you are having 1 lakh of data, right? So you start sending an email 5,000 a day. For 1 week, you divide your data and then send 5,000 emails. Today, after 1 day break, again send 5,000 emails. Then another, next week you increase the volume to, let's say, 10,000, not that much. Go slowly first, starting, go slow, slow, slow. And then gradually you can increase the number of emails per day. Okay. And this is how, gradually you increase the volume over the 2 4 weeks. So within a month, as I said, within a month you will start seeing the improvement. And to achieve the score that you want, to achieve the best email deliverability you want, then you need to wait at least till 3 months. And it again depends on the number of subscribers that you are having. Okay, now monitor the bounce rates and spam compliance, right? So spam compliance, you need to monitor all your rates, like where you have to monitor, like we looked at in the earlier video, that you need to monitor that into the email tracking report. So if we say in one line that IP warming builds trust with ISPs, ensuring better inbox placement. Okay, IP warming will help to build that trust sorry, not between, but with ISPs, so that your email will land into the inbox, not into the spam. Now, if we look at one simple image to understand that, let's say week 1, gradually, generally, the standard practice that we follow is, right, we'll send an email, huge number of emails in week one, then we'll send it to few, then week three, then week four, and then week five, one or two. This is not, this will improve, this will, decrease your center reputation. Instead, the simple, you start with one or two, then more, then increase, and then increase. And this will how you will get it. You will be able to see the improvement in the center reputation. And now let's look into the marketing cloud that what we can do. So if we go to sends, email sends tracking, this is where you will be able to understand if you want to monitor your bounces. This is the send performance in this report delivery rate of the particular email, not every email. This is for this particular email. The delivery rate was this, and you will be able to see hard bounces, soft bounces, block bounces, and this is how you will be able to identify your delivery rate, and then accordingly in the next campaign you have to immediately change your strategy. Now what we can do to solve this? Now there are several options that you are sending your email, like if it's a newsletter email or something like that, you are sending it in one go. Now, this may be affect if there is a huge number of data, and if you are sending your newsletter to everyone at a time, this will create a problem, right? There might be a people who are not interested to read a newsletter, but yeah, they are interested to receive some other type of emails, right? So they might unsubscribe to a newsletter, but still, you know, you'll see the difference in the delivery rate. You'll see the difference uh, you that will still affect our email deliverability. In short, if I say, that will still affect email deliverability. Okay. Now there is one strategy that we can follow. Is one of the strategy is, like, let's say I'm taking a data extension. um I'm having let's say, let's pick one data. mm, let's pick this. So there are 115 records in this data extension. Then let's put a random split. Okay, now it gets divided. Now let's say if I want to add three, four paths, I will add one more path. Mm, I'll do this. Yeah, and then done. Now I will end this in like 1 hour. I will send this after 2 days. And I will send this after. Okay, and I'm going to send an email. Okay, and like this is how, this is one of the strategy that you can follow. Uh, to send your email when you are working on IP warming, and this is how you can build your journey in the marketing cloud. Using a random split and send a same email. So you just need to attach the same email over here. The email will be same. But when you start and activate the journey, it will send this email in first hour to this 13% accounts, like 13% records. Then this email, the second email, the second part, 34% of records will receive an email after 2 days. The 53% of emails, 53% of records will receive an email after 6 days, but they will receive the same email. Okay. So you can follow this strategy. This will help to improve the sender reputation, and this is a part of the IP warming process. So I hope this was helpful. Uh, Thank you.